When installing a larger brake caliper for a better braking effect, you may encounter the issue that the ring rubs against the brake caliper. The stock caliper is designed to fit the space to the wheel. If replaced with a bigger one, you need some action to refit it. Most people install wheel spacers to increase the distance between the brake caliper and the wheel. Larger brake calipers can provide more braking power and performance. However, larger brake calipers also require more space and clearance to fit on the vehicle. This is where wheel spacers come in. Wheel spacers are devices that fit between the wheel and the hub of a vehicle, increasing the distance between the wheel and the hub assembly. They are often used to improve the appearance of a car, giving it a more aggressive stance, and filling out the wheel arches. Choosing the right wheel spacers carefully consideration of several factors, including the wheel spacer size, the material of the wheel spacers, and the hub-centric of the wheel spacers. By taking these factors into consideration, you can choose the right wheel spacers and achieve the best effect. The first thing to consider is the size of the wheel spacers. The installation effect is determined by the size of the wheel spacers you choose, as distances are different for every vehicle. Stock wheels and aftermarket wheels fitted. It is important to choose the right size for your car. We recommend you measure the distance between the fenders and tires. BONOSS has an independent OEM factory, so customized wheel spacers can be completed in 1 to 3 days at the fastest. In addition, BONOSS also offers OEM ODM service. The second factor we need to consider is the material of the wheel spacers. Wheel spacers are usually made of aluminum alloy or steel. BONOSS wheel spacers are made of the highest quality forged 6061T6 and 7075T6 aluminum. Both forged aluminum 6061T6 and 7075T6 feature good hardness and toughness, excellent corrosion resistance, and wear resistance characteristics. The continuously forging adds superior mechanical and physical properties created by heat and pressure. They are high strength for safety and security, and very suitable for long-term applications. The third factor is hub-centric. The hub-centric metal ring is machined to be multi-layers, and the bevels fit the corresponding hub flange, which eliminates any possible gaps. Besides, they are CNC machined with precision at 0.02 mm tolerance. This improves the fit and functionality of spacers. Since spacers are components that can tear the other part, you need tight tolerance. Besides, the benefit of the plus design of BONOSS forged lightweight plus wheel spacers mean that the hollow design is further optimized based on the traditional wheel spacers. It is an effective design that can effectively reduce weight and energy consumption, and improves handling while ensuring safety and reliability. Compared with the previous general product, the weight is reduced by 20%. If you are considering installing wheel spacers for aftermarket brake calipers, these factors can help you choose the most suitable one for your car.
If you like our videos, please give us a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. Turn on notifications, and as always, if you want to get the wheel spacer for your car, please make sure to see the link in the description. Thanks for watching. Have a great day!